Hello, my name is Mohammed Husseini, and I will talk about multimeter. What's a multimeter and why we use it? A multimeter is an instrument used to measure many different variables, mostly electric ones, such as the current amps, voltage volt, and resistance. A multimeter can also have other functions. With a measuring instrument can measure themselves forward as to why an electrical circuit or component fails. There are several different types as to instruments, and which one is best depends on what should be measured. The multimeter is a useful tool to have at home. With such, you can make your own troubleshooting before the electrician or service required. So I make a little video about troubleshoot, so you can see this later. There are both analog and digital multimeters, but in this text I will concentrate on the digital version. The measurement is done with two probes. You see here two probes, one is red and one is black, and red wire is always be on positive side, and this black wire is always be on minus or negative side. So I have a question: from where can you buy a multimeter? Yeah, I find it a multimeter when I was a dollar store, but you can find a multimeter in Shell and company, and whatever is easiest for you. What's the price for a multimeter? A multimeter costs 250 kron to 15,000 kron. It depends on the quality and what it does. It was a little information about multimeter, but I'm not finished. I will tell you about them symbols. With these symbols we can measure AC volts, and with this DC voltage, and with this button we can measure AC current, and with this we can measure the AC current, and with this button we can troubleshoot on some work with electricity. So I have a little video I see, so you can see this video. But them three symbols, this, and this. Yeah, it's not. We don't use it. We use it just for a small electric component. It's nothing some electrical use, so it's not important. Now I'm finished, but I have two video, and you can see. Bye. Thanks.